5 steps to install the Paws-I-Trip Pan Kit on a Sleepy Creek number 4 long spring trap, and we start right now. What's happening, trappers? My name is Steve Taylor, the Pennsylvania Trapper. Welcome to another video. If this is your first time here and want to learn different trapping systems, start now by subscribing and clicking the bell notification so you don't miss anything. We're heading to the shop to install the pit system. Real quick, do you use the pit system on your trap? Leave comments below. Alright, step 1 and 2 would be to remove the old pan off of your trap. Also the dog that was on the trap, remove that. Okay, with the long spring traps, and that's what I use, for the Sleepy Creek, the pit system has an adapter plate that gets put on the bottom of the cross. These sides, you just use a pair of vice grips and squeeze these in place, and that holds the trap pan part onto the original cross. This is where the original Sleepy Creek pan was. With the pit system, it is moved back to here. As far as the pan goes, this is the pit pan. This is the attachment. And what I do is I expand the pan out larger yet. This is 3 inches, but when I'm done I have a 4-inch covering, and it covers most of the trap area. And I just have that tack welded fast to this 4-inch steel plate. And all they are is a electrical box cover. And I bought mine at Lowe's. I leave this end on, this hook area. It gives you an angle, and I just cut straight through on it. And I come over on the other side and make that same angle cut, so that when I'm done, I have it angled on both sides there. So once you have the pit pan assembly holder put on, then you just install the pan, put the bolt in. I use the nylon lock nut, and with the use of a screwdriver and a 3/8 inch socket, I just snug that up. Okay, so you have your pan on, and then your last step, number 5, would be to install your new dog. I went with the stainless steel round dog for on my system. They are coyote proof. They won't bend, and you just replace it with where the other dog was, and then you just use a pair of pliers and you just tighten that down, squeeze her in there, and then your dog's in place. These have the night latch already on the dog. There's a little click out here place so it catches the pan. That's all it's to it. It's not that hard putting the pit system on any trap. Set the trap and show you how hopefully you can hear that night latch click on it then. Okay, we have the trap ready to set the pan. The loose jaw is up, brings her down, and there she's ready to go. All you would do is push your loose jaw down. To finish bedding, I use peat moss and grass clipping. Well, there you have it. 5 tips to install your pit system. It's very easy, very simple to install the pit pan system on any trap. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. And if you want to learn more on trapping systems and trapping tips, start now by hitting the subscribe button so you don't miss anything. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.